The logistics part of this thing is going to be insane.
Everybody is going to be tested to the max.
It's the Baja 500 every day.
You know, we're talking 12 to 13 days.
Day in, day out, just on and on and on.
Polaris RZR is the driving force behind this.
They want their cars to be the best they can be.
We're building them here in the U.S. with Jimco.
Robbie Pierce, the owner, he's built Dakar vehicles. He's raced Dakar, so he has a lot of insight too.
The difference is, the longevity. We're racing for 12 straight days.
No way a car is going to hold up.
It's quite a bit different than when we build a car to go race Baja.
What we really decided to do with those vehicles is we want to make them strong and tough.
They have to endure 14 Baja 500s.
This is not a race where we're going to build a car where it's going to be flawless from start to finish. One of the key things we want to do is make it very serviceable.
There's a lot of maintenance to be done on the car, switching parts out before they break.
And when those parts break, we need to be able to change them very quickly and get back out the course.
Because you're going to start all over 6 in the morning the next day, do it all over again.
So why do it?
It's the car.